it. Let's listen. Income statement is very much easy. It is not a tough job to prepare the income statement. Income statement के लिए first you will write out with the sales in units. How much sales is there? 10,000 sales multiplied by the selling price, that is 5. So overall amount कितना हो गया? 50,000 as my sales. Now, after sales, you will deduct what variable cost. Variable cost is given in the question. That is, variable cost is rupees 3 per unit. अब अगर units दी हुई हैं, so multiply the units with the variable cost. So 10,000 into 3, variable cost is 30,000 units. After variable cost minus जो आपके पास आंसर आएगा after deducting variable cost, it will be gross profit per unit. So 50,000 minus 30,000, gross profit is 20,000 units. After gross profit, you will deduct the fixed cost. I'm doing here. जो आपका gross profit आया, उसको आप क्या करना है? You have to deduct the fixed expenses so as to get net profit. Gross profit में से आपने क्या minus करा? Fixed cost minus किया. Fixed cost is 15,000. Now, fixed cost 15,000 minus करने के बाद you will get what? You will get the net profit, that is 5,000. Now, tax rate is also been mentioned in the question. Now, how to reduce the taxes? Net profit से ही tax जाता है. Only you have to do is that you have to reduce the tax. Now, tax is 10%. So, you will calculate 10% of 5,000. 5,000 का 10% कितना हुआ? 500.
500.
Simple max calculation. 5,000, 10% is your tax. So here you will deduct the taxes minus 500 and you will get what? You will get the answer, that is net profit after taxes 4,500. I am again explaining very easily. सबसे पहला, you will always focus that sales is given or not. Now sales multiply it with the units and the rupees. After calculating that, you will the overall amount is 50,000, that is 10,000 into 5. Then variable cost is 3 rupees per unit. So multiply the units with the variable cost. You will get the variable cost as 30,000. Then gross profit you will be able to calculate. So gross profit formula, sales minus variable cost. You can mention in the table itself. See, you have to make it thoroughly. मेरे पास I have the shortage of screen. That's why मैंने अभी उसको इस side लिया है. But you will maintain that whole income statement. I will go for the 6th, then I will explain you more well. Now, after gross profit is calculated, what you have to do? Gross profit minus fixed expenses. Once gross profit minus fixed expenses is done, that you will get what? Net profit, that is rupees 5,000. 5,000 minus tax. Tax is 10%. So 5,000 का 10% आपने निकाला, कितना आया? 5,000 10% is 500. 500 जैसे डिडक्शन करा आपने taxes से, now it is net profit after tax. So you have to come at the final conclusion of net profit after tax. Income statement format, I will tell you that how it is being done.